Hello everyone. Today we will do question based on assertion and reason. For question number 1 to 10, two statements are given. One labeled as assertion A and the other labeled reason R. Select the correct answer to these questions from the codes A, B, C and D as given below. For A code, both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. For code B, both assertion and reasons are true but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. Code C, A assertion is true but reason is false. Code D, assertion is false but reason is true. The first question is, your assertion is AIDS is a sexually transmitted disease. Now reason for that given is, it is caused by a virus. Now here you will see that AIDS is a sexually transmitted disease. It is not always right. Why? AIDS can also be transmitted by sharing of contaminated syringes, surgical instruments with infected persons, transfusion of blood. So your assertion is false. But your reason is true. Yes, it is caused by HIV virus. So here, which code is right one? Yes, here code D is right one. That is, assertion is false but R is true. So what is your answer? Answer is D code. Now second, assertion is veins have thick walls to collect blood from different organs. Reason for this is given. Blood in veins are not under pressure. Now here, reason is correct. Blood in veins are not under pressure, but assertion is wrong because all of you know that veins have thin walls, not thick one. So which code is right over here? Again, D code. That is, assertion is false, but reason is true. So your answer is D code. Next, question number 3. Assertion is given. Human being has a complex respiratory system. Reason for this is human skin is impermeable to gases. Here assertion is very much right that human beings has a complex respiratory system. But reason for this is not correct because mammals have developed complex respiratory system but mammalian skin is impermeable so that water loss through it is minimized. That is why human skin is impermeable to gases. So it means assertion is right and explanation for that reason is wrong. So your answer is code C. Next question. All proteins in our food are digested in small intestine only. Reason, the protein digesting enzymes are released into small intestine. Now again, all proteins in our food are digested in small intestine only? No, as you know, digestion of proteins is also done by trypsin, pepsin. But the reason the protein digesting enzymes are released into small intestine. Yes, pancreas releases proteases, the cleavage protein bonds. So here what we see that your right code is D. That is, assertion is false but reason is true. So again your answer is code D. Next, fifth question. Walls of the intestine has numerous villi. Reason, these villi decrease the surface area of digestion. Now here assertion is very much true that walls of intestine has numerous villi. Yes, this is right. But the correct explanation or reason is totally wrong here. The villi decrease the surface area of digestion is incorrect. यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए? The villi increases the surface area of digestion. So your right code for this is C. Means assertion is true but reason is false. Now sixth question. Excretion is the biological process by which harmful waste is removed from body. Again, the reason is the mode of excretion is same in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. Now, assertion is true here, but reason for that is false. Why? Because look here, the mode of excretion is same in both unicellular and multicellular organisms. It is wrong because it is different in unicellular organisms and complex structure for excretion is there for multicellular organisms. Next, your question is question number 7. Assertion is ovary releases one egg every month. Reason for that is given to you. The lining of uterus is always thick and spongy. Now look here, again assertion is very much true because every month each egg is released from alternate ovary. But here reason is again false. Why? Because the lining of uterus is not always thick. During menstruation, it flows out of body through vagina. So your answer is code C. Now next, question number 8. Plants raised by vegetative propagation can bear flower and seed earlier than those produced from seeds. Reason for this is plants which lost capacity to bear viable seeds can propagate through vegetative propagation. Now here, both assertion and reasons are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of the assertion. So, here your right code is B. Both assertion and reasons are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Ninth question. In male reproductive system, transport of sperm takes place in a fluid which also provides nutrition. Reason is prostate glands and seminal vesicles secrete their secretions. The right code for this is A, because both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So, right code for this is A. Now, last question. Assertion is amoeba reproduces by binary fission. Reason for this is all unicellular organisms reproduce by asexual method. Yes, both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of the assertion. Again, your answer is A code. Thank you.